You may have seen a lot of reviews about OnePlus 6, so this one is not going to cover every aspect of it. In this video, we are only focusing on camera performance and the gaming test. Hope you enjoy. I want to start off by saying that the camera performance from this video is not scientific analysis. It's just a connection of my thoughts from using a phone camera in a wide variety of different scenarios. No third-party apps, HDR disabled, full auto mode with tab for metering and focus, as an own menu controls. Why not start from the portrait mode, since this feature is hype for dual camera phones nowadays? Well, I gotta say OnePlus 6 did a fair good job on blurring the background, but it seems a little bit too far. Check the elbow part from Julia. And this kind of unstable edge bokeh effect algorithm is everywhere. OnePlus 6 needs to release a firmware to get those fixed. Zooming in on the edge, we can see iPhone X did a pretty decent job on keeping the hair details, while OnePlus 6 is somehow too soft, though sometimes both iPhone X and OnePlus 6 didn't handle the edge well. What annoys me most is the iPhone X's unstable blurry background algorithm. Sometimes it shoots this clear background even under the portrait mode. For the selfie, I just absolutely love OnePlus 6. It's just light years ahead of iPhone X. I'm just amazed by how delicate OnePlus 6 can handle when it comes to selfie. It knows the user's technology pretty well. Now let's move to Technicolor. In the first shot with the flowers, both iPhone X and OnePlus 6 register great true-to-life color. However, when we zoom in, we can see clearly iPhone X keeps a bit more details, but overall OnePlus 6 generates what most people would describe pleasing pictures. Check more samples we took in broad daylight. Let's look at low light. Well, things get a little bit interesting. Under this sort of backlight situation, OnePlus just really falls apart when it comes to dynamic range. Even after tapping on the screen for several times, it should be a software issue. While in other situations, both cameras perform pretty good and register accurate colors. When under the extreme low light condition, iPhone 8 Plus has more accurate colors of light, but it got overexposed on the highlight part. Overall, iPhone 8 Plus delivers a cleaner and less noisy picture, but it struggles to maintain its consistent metering of exposure and sometimes cannot register the color right. While for OnePlus, I'm pretty impressed by its night performance, but it bumps up the saturation to deliver a more pleasing picture at the cost of accuracy. Lastly, if you are interested in video performance, I did a comparison with iPhone X as well. Both shot in 4K 60fps, both cameras are fantastic. The second part of this video is the gaming test. Ever since OnePlus 5T, I'm pretty satisfied with the power consumption control when playing games. That means it will not get too warm even when you are playing it for a long time. And the strong hardware aspects like Snapdragon 845, the up to 8 gigs of RAM ensure the super smooth gaming experience. Now, conclusion time. As of now, OnePlus 6 was just released in less than 2 weeks. I do admit it has unstable bokeh algorithm issue when it comes to portrait mode, but that can be fixed through firmware update. Just give OnePlus some time. Overall, OnePlus 6 delivers a fairly good enough true-to-life color and awesome sharp images, both on broad and dim light condition. iPhone X and iPhone 8 Plus seems didn't win that much, especially considering the price difference. As for gaming, it's just as smooth. And what's the most gorgeous part is, it won't generate too much warmth, no matter how long you are playing the game with it. And what do you guys think about it? Please leave a comment below and check the description for more details. I'm Sammy, see you in next videos.